Hello guys, welcome back. Bringing a hotel collection villa scent diffuser into your space is all about creating that smooth, luxury fragrance experience right at home. But to actually get that consistent scent flow, the setup needs to be done correctly from the start. These diffusers don't work like basic oil diffusers. They use a specialized system to push fragrance into the air, so every component has to be installed properly. If something is even slightly off, you might notice little to no scent output, which can be confusing for first time users. The good part is, once it's set up the right way, it runs quietly and fills the room evenly without any effort. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your hotel collection villa scent diffuser step by step to try these. Step 1. Connect the diffuser to a power source and switch it on. Step 2. Open the front or top panel to access the fragrance slot. Step 3. Insert the scent bottle firmly into the designated holder. Step 4. Secure the compartment so the bottle stays locked in place. Step 5. Adjust the intensity or timer settings on the device. Step 6. Allow a few minutes and confirm the scent begins spreading.